Hi guys, my name is Cassandra and I'm one of the 713 News Beauties. I'm going to show you a quick workout that's really easy that you can do at home, at the park, to stay in shape. So first and foremost, always stretch. Then do a light cardio session. You can do jumping jacks, run in place, or run around the block. Then I'm going to show you some quick leg workouts. So first, we always do squats. Make sure that your legs are slightly pointed out and shoulder width apart. Then you're going to drop and hold it. Then you're going to bring up and tuck your butt in. Again. Tuck your butt in. Do it again. You probably want to try to do 15 to 20 squats and then bring it back up. Okay, another good leg workout are calf raises. These are really simple. If you're watching TV, just do them every time there's a commercial, as many as you can do. So you're just going to lift up, that's it. I always try to do about 30 of these because they're so easy. It's a really good way to tighten your calves and keep them in shape. Another good leg and butt workout, you're going to get on the floor. Make sure you tuck your tummy in. Make sure that your shoulders are over your wrists. You're going to kick back like this. Try to keep your feet flat when you kick back. Suck your tummy in. This is really good for the back of your legs as well. And then you can go to the side to make your booty nice and round, like this. We call these fire hydrants. Anywhere from 20 to 30 of these, or as many as you can do. There's no real number. Just when you start getting really tired, try to push about 5 more, and then keep going. Take breaks when you need to. Make sure that you hydrate. Okay. Another good leg booty workout is jump squats. So you're going to jump out and back together, and then keep doing these as many as you can do till exhaustion. Make sure that you're breathing. Tuck your tummy in. As many of those as you can, because everyone wants a nice butt so that we look good in our swimsuits. Okay, and then we're going to do side to side squats. So like this, back. Remember to keep breathing. Make sure that your knees are over your ankles. Okay. Get a nice breather. I know that we can run out of breath. Make sure you want to keep the integrity of your breath so you have the right oxygen going through your body. And then you want to end with a quick cardio session, jumping jacks, running in place. You can actually run backwards too. It's good for your calves. And thank you so much for joining. I hope to see you guys again.
If you like our content, please follow and like us on all social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel.